Hello student, in this video we have talked about multiplex ads. In the previous video we have created multiplex ads horizontal, and in this video we have created multiplex ads vertical. So click on so the ad is open and it is horizontal. So we have created two vertical, and the vertical ad is look like that. So you can change its text color and background color from here, but we in previous video for a horizontal ad I have created this, and for this ad you have created change your text color and background color. So I have write this ad name. So ad name is multiplex, and alignment vertical, and for tutorial form, and click on create. And the ad is created. So copy code snippet and go to website, and open your HTML. So it is my previous multiplex ad. I have removed this and paste the new code. Click on preview to show the vertical multiplex ad. It takes some time. So the vertical multiplex ads look like that. So click on update and your AdSense code will be updated. Thank you for watching this video.